Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to use Cloudflare DNS in Google Chrome browser. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To use Cloudflare DNS in Google Chrome browser, go to your Google Chrome and click on three-dot icon on upper right corner and then click on settings. In left hand, click on privacy and security. Scroll down, click on security option. Scroll down again. Under advanced, you will find use secure DNS and keep it turned on. And you will find another option select DNS provider and click on the drop down menu here. And here you will find Cloudflare 1.1.1.1. This is the DNS IP. Select it. Now Cloudflare DNS is set on my Google Chrome browser. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.